Dive into the great outdoors with QYSEA's latest innovation, the Ultimate Outdoor Gear Set, designed for the explorers at heart. Introducing our touch-compatible gloves, engineered for those who demand accuracy and efficiency at their fingertips. When you're out there, every touch and swipe should count. Shield yourself with our all-protective hat. It's your ultimate shield against sun and pests, complete with a detachable face shield for that extra layer of protection. Don't overlook the QYSEA vest with its breathable, quick-drying fabric, equipped with pockets galore for all your gadgets. It's not just gear, it's the gear that thinks ahead. From the highest heads to just beside the water's edge, the QYSEA Outdoor Gear Set is your trusty ally for all adventures. Crafted for comfort, designed for durability, and equipped for the unknown, you're always ready for what's next. Gear up for the extraordinary. Are you ready to see the world through new eyes?